leaving about 9 or so. And we back our truck up and load it up.
By hand.
By hand.
If we turn left, then we're going to be going towards the water.
Which is how we need to go.
Right.
Yeah.
So we don't need to go that way. We need to go left this way.
Here's Huntington Drive.
Right. But we're coming from this way. So we're going to be going left will be over, the water's over that way. If I can go out and help somebody, then I will do it.
Push through.
You get out of your comfort zone in your own little town, and you're sitting there and you think, boy, the United States, everybody has plenty to eat and plenty of this and that. Well, they don't. There's a lot of places here in the United States where people are just barely getting by, and after they go through a flood or a hurricane or something, they have even less than what they had before. So I figure as long as the good Lord is willing to keep me on my feet, I'm going to keep doing this and trying to help as many people as I can. So